friends, once again welcome back to Active Education Pro. Today this is an interesting video. This video is all about the side property of a triangle. First I tell you the side property of a triangle, that sum of any two sides of a triangle is more than the third one. Suppose ABC is a triangle. First I draw here a triangle ABC. Suppose this is a triangle ABC. Whatever the angle may be, right angle, yeah, obtuse angle, or acute angle, but yes, there are three sides in a triangle. Suppose this is a triangle ABC, then AB plus BC greater than AC, AC plus BC greater than AB, and BC plus AC, sorry, AB plus BC greater than AC, AC plus BC greater than AB, then BC plus AB, AB plus AC greater than BC. These three rules a triangle must satisfy about its side. Sum of any two sides is greater than the third one. Any two sides greater than the third one. If it is a triangle and it is possible to draw a triangle with any three sides, length of any three sides, then it must follows this rule. One rules for all these three sides. AB plus BC greater than AC, AB plus BC greater than AC, AC plus BC greater than AB, and then AB plus AC greater than BC. So this is the side property of a triangle. You can visit my last uploaded video about the side property of a triangle. Already I have uploaded this video, and now we are going to solve some problems regarding this property of a triangle. So let's start. ABCD is a quadrilateral if AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD. So look here, ABCD is quadrilateral. You know what is quadrilateral? Quadrilateral means it is a closed figure, geometrical figure consisting of four sides. Quadrilateral means four sides. So AB, BC, CD, AD are the four sides of this quadrilateral, and there are two diagonals AC, BD. AC and BD, there are two diagonals of a quadrilateral. So now you have to prove AB, BC, CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD. Now one diagonal makes this quadrilateral into two parts, divided into two parts. But now these two diagonals make into four parts. You can take here as this triangle, this triangle, this triangle, and this triangle. Otherwise, you can take ABC is a triangle, BCD is a triangle, ACD is a triangle, and the last one ABD is a triangle. Now by drawing these two diagonals, you divide this quadrilateral into four triangles. One is ABC, the triangles are, one is ABC triangle, and the next one is BCD triangle, ADC triangle, BAD triangle. These are the four triangles made by these two diagonals AC and BD. Okay, now we have to solve AB, BC, CD, DA greater than AC plus BD. So given that ABCD is quadrilateral, simple, ABCD quadrilateral, and there are two diagonals AC and BD. So now proof by applying the side property of a triangle. As per the side property of triangle, first consider triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, you know AB plus BC greater than AC, AB plus BC greater than AC, because ABC is a triangle and it is a side property of triangle AB plus BC greater than AC. Similarly, in triangle BCD in triangle BC plus CD greater than BD. BC plus CD greater than BD. Always look here, there is a greater than symbol, there is a greater than symbol, and you'll always try to come to this proof point. Means A, C, B, D, A, B, B, C, C, D, D are the left side of this symbol, and A, C, B presents at the right side of the symbol. So anyhow, by applying the side property of a triangle, you have to come to this position so that it will be easy to solve these questions. So next, in triangle, third triangle in ADC triangle. In triangle ADC triangle, you can write here AD plus CD greater than AC, AD plus CD greater than AC. ADC triangle, AD plus DC greater than AC. And the last one is in triangle BAD, you can write here AB plus AD greater than BD. Look here, in triangle BAD, AB plus AD greater than BD. Now add these four equations. Out these four equations, you will get AB plus AB, 2AB plus BC plus BC, 2BC, CD plus CD, 2CD plus AD plus AD, 2AD. There are 2 times of AB, BC, CD, AD. Every side each of 2 times. And greater than 2AC, 2BD. So you can write here 2AC plus 2BD. Now take the common from both sides 2. 2 takes as common factor. It will be AB, BC, CD plus AD greater than, you can take 2 as common factor, AC plus BD. Now cancel these 2 from both sides. Now you will get AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. You can write AD as DA because you can write left, you can read this length name from left to right or right to left. It is all depend upon you. So AD is equal to DA greater than AC plus BD. Hence proved. Look here, this is equal to this one. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD. This is all about theory. How do you prove? How can you prove that AB plus CD plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD? Before this solution, you can write that there is given that ABCD is a quadrilateral, AC and BD are the two diagonals, and then what is to prove? To prove AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD, then solve it, and this is the solution. Okay, finally prove it, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD. Then moves to second question, and this is questions all about NCERT books of class 7, triangle and its properties. Sorry. Now the next question of this same NCERT exercise, class 7, ABCD quadrilateral. Now you have to prove AB, BC, CD, DA greater than 2 AC plus BD. In my last question, we solved the questions about a quadrilateral and also including with its diagonal. Similarly, right now, the next question of this video is same as my last questions. ABCD also a quadrilateral and there are two diagonals, one is AC and BD. Another new thing is here, O is the intersection point of these diagonals AC and BD. The new thing is O is the intersection point of these diagonals AC and BD. Now this intersection point O, makes 4 quarters. Divided this ABCD quadrilateral into 4 triangles. One is AOB, BOC, COD and AOD, otherwise DOA. So first write all the 4 angles made by these two diagonals and its intersection point. The first one is AOB triangle, and then BOC triangle, COD triangle, and the last one is AOD triangle. From these 4 triangles, we have to evaluate, we have to prove these equations. We have to find out this equation, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA smaller than 2 of AC plus BD. So let's solve. First, in triangle AOB, you can write OA plus OB greater than AB. OA plus OB greater than AB. OA plus OB greater than AB. In AOB triangle, OA, OB and AB are the 3 sides of this triangle. So sum of any 2 sides is greater than the third one. OA plus OB greater than AB. Similarly, you can write for triangle BOC, OB plus OC greater than BC. OB plus OC greater than BC. For third triangle COD, OC plus OD greater than CD. OC plus OD greater than CD. And for the last triangle AOD, OA plus OD greater than AD. Now we find out the four equations by applying side property of a triangle from this quadrilateral. So now add these four equations. You will get OA plus OA 2OA, OB plus OB 2OB, then OC plus OC 2OC, and similarly 2OD greater than AB, BC, CD, AD at the four sides of this quadrilateral, plus CD plus DA. I write here AD as DA. Now take 2 common. OA plus OB plus OC plus OD greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Now OA with OC. Look here the image. OA with OC. OA with OC. It will be AC. Similarly OB with OD. OB with OD. It is BD greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. You can transfer its position. You can write here AB plus BC plus CD plus DA smaller than 2 of AC plus BD in fruit. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my video and press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.